Functions let you transform data in your scenarios, whether that's replacing text in a string, summing two numbers, calculating days between dates, and more. To demonstrate this, I've set up some mock data in this scenario. So from our first module here, we're getting an email address, but we can see the formatting is not how we would like it. Right now, this email contains uppercase characters, and in our system, we only want lowercase characters. So let's use a function to clean this up. When you're in any field where you can map values, apart from seeing the values from previous modules, you can also at the top here click between different functions. So we have general functions, math functions, date and time functions, array functions, system variables, and also text and binary functions. So in our case, we are going to use a text function, and we can see here we've got the function lower. Whenever you hover over any of the functions, Make will give you a quick explanation into what the function does and how to use it. So here, lower converts all alphabetical characters in a text string to lower case. So I'm going to select lower, and now I need to map in what text do I want to convert to lowercase. And in my case, it's going to be the email that we get from the previous module. So I can just drag this one in between those brackets, and now we're applying this lower function to the variable email. Now, when we run this one and check out the result, we can see we've got our email lowercase variable, and now this email has been cleaned up and it is all in lowercase. And we can see it was going from uppercase here to lowercase. Now, a very useful tip, you can combine multiple functions in one field mapping to create more advanced transformation. In this case, we're extracting the email domain from that email address using a combination of the index of function and the substring function. And if we take a look at the result, we can see here it has perfectly cleaned up and left us only with the email domain. In the Make Help Center, you'll find a full list of the different functions available with a full breakdown of how each function works, complete with examples. So that's functions in Make. Think of them like formulas in Excel or Google Sheets. Use them to manipulate strings, calculate with numbers, format date and times, work with arrays, and transform data exactly how you need it.